Welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to build this amazing loan website. All right, this loan website has a lot of features that you can benefit from it. All right, watch this video to the end so you see all the process I use in building this amazing loan website, and you can start your own credit business with it. If you are joining my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it so that other can learn from it. All right, don't forget to drop a comment. Let's go. So this is the loan website. You can see we have account number, we have account type, we have currency, we have balance, we have loan guarantee, we have current balance. All right, if you can see, we have a lot of amounts on the balance here and the current balance. That is, we've been giving out loans on this website. Look at it. Look at how awesome this website is. So I will just, you know, put you through around so you know what the website is all about and how it works. Now this is the user dashboard. We have the user dashboard and we have the admin dashboard, but first I'm going to let us go through the user dashboard. All right, so this is the user dashboard. This is the amount the user has, you know, collect from this loan application. You can see due upcoming, so you can see. So now I'm going here. I will go to my loans. If you can see, I click on my loans. You have my loans, applying new loans, the calculator. So let's go here, my loans. This is the amount of the loans this particular user have received from this app. All right, so imagine if you're the one owning the app yourself and you can start giving it up. All right, so a lot of people have been using this and they are making millions of dollars from having a loan app. Right, you can start your investment from owning this awesome application. So this is it. It has, you can add any currency you want to add. So if you can see here, the status of the loan here, you have pending, we have approve. So the admin will be the one approving all the loan on the website. All right, so let me go back here and show you another awesome. This is the apply new loan. So all you just have to do is the type of loan you want. Is it student? You pick the currency you want. Is it euro? Is it USD? So you pick. All right, so this is the time. You can select the time you want to start paying. So I could pick on the 17th. I let me enter 5,000 as the loan. Enter loan description. I could just say for school fee. You can leave the rest. Then I'll just click on submit, and you can see your loan application submitted successfully and your application is now under review. So the application is now under review. The admin will be the one to accept this loan. All right, so admin will be the one to accept this loan after checking all the process. Then you credit the user. You credit the user on this dashboard here, so you can see how awesome it is. This is the loan calculator. You can calculate and see the exchange rate. If you want to transfer your loan, the user can move their money from this application to their normal bank. You can see we have own account transfer, other account transfer. User can deposit money here, automatic and manual. If you click on the automatic here, you can see this website comes with PayPal. It has Stripe, it has RezoPay. You understand? It has Paystack, it has Flutterwaves, Molly, Instamojo. So there are a lot of payment gateway on this website that you can let your user to start paying. So this is amazing without you stressing yourself. All user registered to your website can deposit their personal money here and start paying. For example, you can decide to be collecting the fee before applying for a loan. If anyone is applying for a loan of $10,000, you can let this person pay like 1,000 as a fee. Then you give out 10K to him or her. All right, so this is awesome website that you can start creating your own online investment business or online loans application to users. So this is automatic, this is manual. You can decide to, you know, bank transfer. Once the user click this bank transfer now, can you see? So you'll be the one to position your account details here. You can decide to put all this account number. You'll be the one to set it at the admin dashboard. So you can decide to do it all by yourself. You can see Queensland bank name, Queensland account. This is the account number. So you can decide to put this after a successful payment. The user will upload their receipt down here and submit it. So this is very good, this is very good, this is awesome, this is awesome. The user can withdraw money from here. So you see, if the user wants to make withdraw, you can decide to make withdraw, and the admin will get notified. Then he can approve and credit the user. Transaction request, here are all the requests. You see, completed, all the requests are here. You can see this is a very simple website. If you have any issue you want to report, you can report them here. This is account statement, transaction report, account balance. Report anything you want to do. So this is how the user dashboard is. Any setting you want to do, membership details, profile setting, change password. This is awesome. So now I'm going to log into the admin dashboard now. So I'll just come here and I'm going to log into the admin now. So awesome, this is the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard. You can see the admin dashboard. You will see the total members. We have about 25 members for now. Deposit, no deposit request here. We have withdrawal request, we have pending loans. So if you click on view, you will see a lot of pending loans. Once you click on view now, you'll be able to, I will click on this approve to approve. Once I click the approve, it will be approved successfully without no delay. All right, so and if you want to decline, you can decide to decline. Make sure you go through this person details, guarantor, collateral, repayment schedule, repayment. You can edit all these things and let the person know. All right, so this is the admin. We have 24 member, we have 13 loans. You see, withdraw, all the withdraw. We have the deposit method. You can, this is the deposit method, automatic gateway. You can run your setting there and configure it. Manual, you can run your setting there and configure it. User management, you can decide to manage all the systems. So this is awesome. So this is awesome. If you need this script and you want to use this script for your personal business or for educational purpose, don't hesitate to drop comments and tell me I need this script, and this script is going to be sent to you. Or you can chat me on WhatsApp by checking my description, this video description, to get my WhatsApp contact. Chat me and I will get the script across to you. This is awesome script. All right, so you can give out loan, accept loan, put automatic payment method on this website. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video very useful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I drop an amazing video like this, you won't miss out.